Alright, I'm just going to go over what I did for LEDs, plug and play LEDs for this motorcycle. If you're going to change out a 2057 LL bulb, I'll show you how to do that and what bulb to use so you get a good bulb the first time around. Now I've done 3 LEDs so far. I've done this one, and this one. This is still the filament bulb. Now you can see how crisp and responsive the LEDs are compared to the old filament bulb, and they're actually brighter. I'm sure you can tell the difference. See how this one just fades in and out? Those are snap, they pop, they're bright, and they're like instantaneous. This is it right here. It's a Zevo, made by Sylvania. The Zevo Red 2057 LED. This is the bulb you want. Don't try any cheap bulbs out there. I've been down that road. They're junk. They're bright, they're super responsive, and they look great on the red lens. Like I said, I've tried multiple LEDs, the cheap ones, some on Amazon. They're all junk. All you're gonna do, and it's basically plug and play, it really is. You take the cover off to the bulb. Take the filament bulb out, 2057 LL, and you're going to put the Zevo bulb in. Now these go in one way, all right? So you got little knobs, one's higher than the other, and on the socket, one area is higher than the other. You'll be able to see that, and that's it. It just sits there like that, right? Standing up. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You can see the difference. Red LED light is made to work with the red lenses. If you try to put a white one in there, it's not going to be bright. Trust me, I've tried it. The red is actually brighter than the white. They usually sell them in white. You want the red. Now don't over tighten these, just snug them down. You don't want to crack the lens. Alright, let's see what it looks like. So there you have it. What a difference. Now that's only for these types of lights. Alright? Anything that you don't need white. Like this one is an LED, but I needed a white light to illuminate the lens, the license plate. So I'll go over that in another video. We see how nice and crisp these are? They snap right to. They're on and off. Much more visible than a regular filament bulb. So if you want plug and play, that's the way to go. Like I said, I've tried multiple bulbs. Amazon and a few other places, and they're just junk. They're junk. They're not as bright, they're not as responsive with these. You get what you pay for when it comes to LED bulbs. Alright, that's all I got for this video. I hope it helps you guys, those of you interested in going upgrading to LED bulbs. Like I said, it's plug and play. There's nothing else you have to do with these. You just put them in and you're done. You don't have to do any kind of other electrical work or anything like that. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope the review was helpful. Bye bye.